Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guess what? We have another Boxycharm unboxing, and this is the November Boxycharm. So if you want to see what I got in my November Boxycharm, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, let's jump into this Boxycharm. So let's first move the little paper that comes in it. I always do that. So it looks like so, and it's giving giftable glam, which is that kind of fall-esque Thanksgiving-ish kind of. So I have 5 items, and it's the base box. Our first product is from Somme Institute, and this one is Transport. It is a 50 treatment pads, and it is an exfoliate without abrasion. How to use: it says smooth pad over clean face, neck and upper chest after using a nourishing cleanser. So you wait after you cleanse. Okay, so actually I'm gonna have my husband try that because he cuts his hair bald and something he gets kind of breakouts there. So I think I'm gonna have him use this to exfoliate his head, and I will let you guys know how that worked. The other products we have this is actually from Ciate, and it is a velvet. Oh, it's a lip liner. Oh, this is cute. It is a lip liner. It looks like so. It looks like so. It doesn't have a smell, so it's like a mauve color. This is actually pretty. This is very pretty. We're going fast. And our other product is from Lip Slick, and it's a fruit oil, a fruit lip oil. I love me some lip oils. I'll be all over that. So let us go ahead and use that lip oil. This feels so good, so good. So that's 3 products. Our next product is actually from Lunar Liner. And it is, just a black liner. It looks like I hate when they have the little plastic thing like this because I can't really open it. And it looks like so. It's kind of chunky. I don't know if I necessarily like this. It does look black though, so we'll give that a go. And it is it just said water resistant liquid liner. Oh, the liner is called a Lunar Liner, but it's from Seraphine Botanicals. That's the actual company. And then our last product is actually from Ofra Cosmetics, and it's the Midi palette face fit. So I'm guessing it's a face palette. And she looks like so, it's kind of cute. Little. Okay, so it comes with like a bronzer. This is kind of a highlighter too, a blush, and then a highlighter. I don't know, man. This highlighter looks dark. I mean, I might be able to get away with it. So yeah. So these are all the products that I got in my Boxycharm. So we're gonna go ahead and create a look and do something amazing. So yeah, so today I'm gonna do something a little bit different, just a little bit, not anything crazy that they're gonna be like, oh god, Decima, what are you doing? So just a little bit different. And I'm gonna use this face palette to do my eye. Why not, right? So I'm gonna use this brush. This is an M518 from Morphe, and first we're gonna go into this shade right here. My only issue is like I don't have anything to blend it with. But we'll see. So we're just gonna put this right here like so. So this is the actually bronzer, so tapping that like that. This eye look is gonna be so quick, but so you can see how easy you can just do an amazing look. Okay, so this is one done. I'm actually gonna use my glitter glue from NYX. I'm gonna put some at the back of my hand like so. This is on S4 from Morphe. I'm just gonna take that and put that right here. I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna just clean it up to remove the glue. So we're gonna go into this shade right here and I'm gonna put it in my inner corner right here. And now I'm gonna take this brush. This is actually from Juvia's place. It's from a brush set, and we're gonna go into this shade right here, and I'm gonna use this to just kind of blend this like so. Now we're gonna go back into that really dark brown shade. And then back to this shade. Like so. And you see how easy this was to create this look? I do have this pencil. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this pencil. So this was in the Boxycharm, so we have to use it. See how quick this is? This is like so amazing. We'll ignore that dance and just, you know, move on. Sometimes I don't know what I'll be doing the most. The most. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of that bronzer that I use on my eye. You know, just a little bit. Like so. So nothing, you know, insane. This eye is gonna like annoy me today. I can already tell, like it's crazy. You already know when this is just gonna be jacked all day. A little glitter glue. Oh my god. Right here. Right here. And then I'm gonna just take that shade right here and then just put that in my inner corner. Like so. Now, for the face, let's go with this bronzer. I feel like this is gonna be hella dark, but we're gonna go for it. This is the F30 from Sigma. You know what I hate for bronzers? That the pen is so little, and then I have this big old brush. Like, oh my god, this is not gonna work. So for my brush, I don't know. This. And then for my, I'm gonna use this. It's kind of dark. I usually like my highlighter a little bit lighter than that, but you know, we'll make it work. So this is pretty though. And as we can see, it's also a very pretty highlighter, eyeshadow. I want a little like. So I was gonna use that thingy that came in the box, the lip liner in the Boxycharm, but they only have a lip oil, so they don't really have like a lip thingy, and I want to go a little bit more bold with my lip. So yeah, that's not gonna work. That is not gonna work. Not for your girl. Not today. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead, and go through the products and that I got on my Boxycharm. You understand? We have to go for that, right? So let's look at this. So first, it's gonna be the face palettes that I got, which I used to do my eye and my face, and that was $35. That's from Ofra Cosmetics, and it's a bring the bouquet to you with this curated complexion trio to sculpt, warm, and highlight. This palette features buildable matte contours and soft shimmer bronzers, perfectly coordinated for light, medium, and deep skin tone. So they were all, I guess, contours, but I used them for highlighter, I used them for blush. Your girl was on a roll. So $35 for that. And then the Some Institute, I didn't use that, this Transport Exfoliating Glycolic Acid Pads. I'm gonna have my husband use that because I think it will work for him, and that is $65. Our next product or item is it was that lip oil. I really like that lip oil from Sophia and Mabel, I don't know. So you think you're slick. This lip oil gives you soft glossy lips with no tackiness. It's lightly colored and applies to the lips like a slick transparent oil with a fruity twist, and that is $22. Our next product was the eyeliner. Actually, I end up liking the eyeliner. Even at first I'm like, I don't like the liner, but it worked out to be great, and that was $18. So my total for my box was $158. That was actually a pretty good box. I got 4 makeup products and 1 non kind of makeup, kind of more skincare. So that's not terrible. Before I wasn't like literally everything, skincare. So not terrible for, what, $30. So yeah, so that's it for my November Boxycharm. What are you waiting for? Why are you not subscribing? So that's it, guys, for this video. See you guys later. I don't know. Bye.
Can we get comfortable? I don't really like going out. It makes me uncomfortable. Comfortable, yeah. We could be chilling on the sofa, or cooking in the kitchen like left, right, oh. Are you